Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about rest and motion. We see various things around us. Some of them are at rest while others are in motion. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surroundings. Surroundings are the places in the neighborhood where various objects are present. Similarly, a body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings. The state of rest or motion of body is relative. For example, a passenger sitting in a moving bus is at rest because she is not changing his or her position with respect to other passenger or subject in the bus. But to an observer outside the bus, the passenger and objects inside the bus are in motion. Types of motion. If we observe carefully, we will find that everything in the universe is in motion. However, different objects move differently. Some objects move along a straight line, some move in a curved path, and some move in some other way. There are three types of motion: translatory motion, linear random and circulatory, rotatory motion, vibratory motion, to and fro motion. Translatory motion. Watch how various objects are moving. Do they move along a straight line? In a translational motion, a body moves along a line without any rotation. The line may be straight or curved. The example is translatory motion of riders in a Ferris wheel. The objects, as shown in the figure, move along the curved path without rotation. This is a translation motion of objects. Riders moving in a Ferris wheel, such as shown in figure, are also in translation motion. Their motion is a circle without rotation. Translatory motion can be divided into linear motion, circular motion, and random motion. Linear motion. We come across many objects which are moving in a straight line. The motion of objects such as car moving on a straight and level road is linear motion. The straight line motion of body is known as linear motion. Aeroplane flying in straight in air and objects falling vertically down are also example of linear motion. Circular motion. A stone tied at the end of a string can be made to reel. What type of path is followed by the stone? The stone, as shown in figure, moves in a circle and thus has circular motion. The motion of an object in a circular path is known as circular motion. The down figure shows toy train moving on the circular track. A bicycle or a car moving along a circular track possesses circular motion. Motion of Earth around the Sun and motion of the Moon around the Earth are also the example of circular motion. Random motion. The disordered or irregular motion of an object is called random motion. The random motion of molecule is called Brownian motion. The motion of insects and birds is random motion. The motion of dust or smoke particle in air is also random motion. The Brownian motion of gas or liquid molecule along a zigzag path, such as shown in figure, is also example of random motion. Rotatory motion. Study the motion of the top. It is spinning about an axis. Particle of the spinning top move in circular and the individual particle possesses circular motion. Does the top possess circular motion? The top, shown in figure 2.9, spins about its axis, passing through it, and thus it possesses rotatory motion. An axis is a line around which a body rotates. In circular motion, the point about which a body goes around is outside the body. In rotatory motion, the line around which a body moves about is passing through the body itself. The spinning motion of a body about its axis is called rotatory motion. The motion of a wheel about its axis and that of steering wheel are example of rotatory motion. The motion of the earth around the sun is circular motion and not the spinning motion. However, the motion of the earth about its geographic axis that cause day and night is rotatory motion. Think of some more example of rotatory motion. For example, vibratory motion of a child and swing vibratory motion of the pendulum of a clock.